everybody. I know this is like a really different view and placement and echo and everything. I literally moved here about a month ago, so there's no furniture here. We're living out of beanbag chairs and fold-up tables and fold-up chairs. But today I'm going to be unboxing the July Boxycharm. But I have a little surprise at the end because I have another box. So stay tuned and you might win this box. But anyway, so let's jump right into the July. I love Boxycharm. I've been with them for so many years. Paid with them with my own money, you know, not sponsored or nothing. Yeah, let's just jump right into that. I'm sorry for the angle. I really hope that this angle is okay. But all right, this is the July box. I got a sneak peek on the Instagram when I scroll down to their feed. I wish they would do like Instagram spoiler alert and then swipe if you want to see the spoilers, because I swiped and I saw what's in my box and I'm like, no, which is an eyeshadow palette. That's why I don't have any eyeshadow on, because I was gonna kind of just put it on there for you guys. So, all right, so this month's box. So first we have a Luminous Silk Compact Blush with Argan Oil. This is the brand Note. Oh wow, this is really dark. Theo, quit, go, stop. He's like chewing on his ball. This is super dark. This is called Desert Rose. Oh, let's try putting this on. At least it comes with a little mirror because I did not bring my mirror down here, but I didn't put any blush on because I knew that there was one too, so. Oh my God, that has some serious kick up. Oh, hello. Okay, with some serious pigmentation. Ooh, that's really pretty though. It doesn't seem to blend out. It like stays in that one spot where I like put it there. Oh, that's really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I don't have any lighting at all. I'm using natural light and a little bit of this background light that I have, so I hope that this is okay. But it's all that's gonna have to be due for now, so. This blush is $12. Oh, that's not bad. I'm recording off of my Samsung Galaxy 8 because I didn't bring my camera equipment, stupid me. The next thing is this Crown Pro. I like how they wrap it in bubble wrap just in case. Usually I'm not a big fan of Crown eyeshadow palettes. They suck. There's been a couple in Boxycharm, but this one looks okay, and considering it's pro, I hope that it's... No, mine came shattered. It's just one eyeshadow, so I'm probably gonna repress it, but it's like that dark brown color. Okay, that color is not bad at all. I literally thought that this was not gonna be a good palette, but I can already tell from looking at the palette that it was gonna be good, but because it was coming from Crown, you already know how I feel about that. Ooh, I like this palette. Just because I moved, I didn't pack all my makeup with me. I packed the essentials, and the fact that Boxycharm is coming through each month is really helping building my collection, because I came here with only one palette. Now I have 3. So it's a really easy way to start up your makeup and just to build it. I didn't realize how much I needed, you know, some of these things until I didn't have them with me, until they're not accessible. Oh my God, I knocked this brown everywhere. This dark brown is not blending out as easily, but it's still blending. Oh, that is so pretty. And I didn't even need like a base or anything. These shimmers are beautiful. So the Crown palette is $30, which I'll buy for 20. So the next one is Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I'm not a fan of tube mascaras, just because. But, oh, the wand actually looks pretty nice. I am in need for a non-waterproof mascara to use on the bottom of my lashes, and the fact that it's curled, and I like that. That, my friend, is $24. Are you serious? This one is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. This is actually great because my eyes get pretty puffy in the morning, and I only pack so many skincare with me. I don't know, but this one, I know Dr. Brandt's pretty pricey. It's $42, so that's pretty darn cool. I really, really like this. I was really in need of skincare for sure. And then the next one is Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. I really like Cella. Whoa, what is this? Okay, so this is the brush. Okay. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your brows with its creamy consistency. Brush it on and it'll last all day and night. Okay, so I guess you twist, right? No? Wait, what's this? Whoa, okay. Oh, I'm over here thinking like it's gonna come, oh, I don't know if I like that. Okay, I can see where it says it's good to define your brows because I do like this brush. This brush is actually really nice. This isn't bad. I actually like that. I like that a lot, I like that a lot. That's actually pretty cool. So I'm pretty happy with this month's box. I could definitely use without the mascara, but everything else is pretty nice. This one is Boxycharm's June box. The reason why I'm giving away the June box is because I've received 2 in my mailbox for some reason. I think it was just something that was wrong with their shipment and they shipped 2 accidentally. So if you won't tell, I won't tell. But this box would go to you guys. So the reason why it's open was because I thought this was the July box and this came like, oh, like the first week of July, and I was like, that's really weird. Mine always comes the second week of July. So I'm just gonna show you guys what's in it if you guys don't already know. But none of this has been opened, used, swatched, or nothing like that. So you get a pair of eyelashes. This one, the one that I have upstairs is identical because I got the same one, but I just didn't wear it today. You got 3 brushes from Luxie. So I love this box. I think this box was better than July's box. And you get a Jaune Bleu Brown eyeliner, which I've been using for lip liner because your girl gotta improvise. You didn't carry one, so. Veronica in Ofra Liquid Long Lasting Lipstick. This Bum Bum cream that I've always wanted to try and is actually pretty amazing. And then the best thing of all is this Alamar Cosmetics, and you get a whole palette. So that's pretty exciting. So all you have to do is just comment below and tell me, what are your plans for the summer? Did you go anywhere? Did you do something? Did you go on a cruise? Did you go to the beach? Did you just stay home? Like, what did you do? Or what are you going to do? I know summer is practically almost over, but to me, I live in Texas, so it's summer all year round. Yeah, like the video, comment the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want an extra bonus, a better chance of winning, there's gonna be one winner only, but if you want an extra chance of winning, just head over to Instagram, like the photo, and follow me, and that's pretty much it. So the winner will be contacted via email, so make sure you put your email somewhere in the comment of the YouTube when you tell me what you did in the summer. So that's all, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.